Hey guys, I'm Abigail of ACI Designs in Home, and on this channel it is about inspiring others who have willing hands. So if you are a beginner, you have no experience in crocheting at all, like you can't even do the first chain, you don't even know what a chain is. So, well, this video is for you. I'm going to teach how to do a single crochet, which is a basic stitch in crocheting. So if you do enjoy this video and you've learned something, please give it a thumbs up, comment down below and subscribe, and click the notification bell, so that way I know you enjoy this content and I can just bring you some more, okay? So don't forget your yarn and your hook, the tapestry needle, everything you need, I'll explain later. So let's get crocheting, okay? Happy crocheting. Hey guys, hey willing hands. This is ACI Designs here, and I'm going to be showing you how to do a single crochet, okay? I'm going to be showing you basic stitches to begin with when you start crocheting. Here, this is a single crochet. Okay, it's a single crochet, and this is just for beginners. So if you don't have no experience in crocheting at all, this video is for you. So what you're going to need is your crochet hook, tapestry needle, and a pair of scissors, okay? Now my hook is a size 6mm. Yep. And the yarn I'm going to be using is going to be a chunky yarn from Signet. I will leave a link in my description box if you want to purchase this yarn. So when you start learning how to crochet, it's best to use chunky yarn, so that way you're able to grip the yarn, that way you're able to crochet properly when you're beginning. And then once you become experienced, you can experiment with other sizes. So yeah, first you will need to slip knot. I'm going to show you how to do a slip knot. So wrap the yarn around your finger 2 times. Bring the first part over the second part, the second part over the first part, then insert your hook and pull. This one is called the working yarn because it is connected to the yarn itself. Okay, then you want to, oh, I'm moving too fast. Put the yarn behind your little finger, behind your index finger, in between your index finger and thumb. So this is your tail, and this is what we will weave in later with the tapestry needle. So I will now teach you how to chain, okay? So chaining is the foundation of every pattern, every crochet item that you see. The foundation is chaining. So we're going to do 30 chains. So make sure there's quite a firm grip. Okay, it should bounce back. When you flick it, it should bounce back. If it's not bouncing back, tighten the yarn a bit on your hand, okay? So to do your first chain, make sure the hook is facing up. Wrap it, so yarn over, turn it, pull through. That's the first chain. Wrap it, yarn over, pull through. Second chain. Third chain. 4. 5. 5. Sorry guys, for every once in a while you're gonna hear the my cultural side come out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. In fact, do up to 20. 17, 18, 19, 20. There we have it. Now you want to chain an extra chain. Then you want to count 2 chains from your hook. 1, 2. Go into that one. So you go into the first one right at the top. Okay, you've got 2 loops now. So you want to yarn over, pull through 1 time, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, everything. That is our first single crochet. Insert, yarn over, pull through 1, yarn over, pull through 2. Insert, yarn over, pull through 2. Okay, you're going to do that all the way across. And you may find when you first start, it's either too loose or it's too tight. Not to worry. You are just beginning, you're just learning how to crochet. As you become experienced, it'll be easier. We're getting closer to the end. I feel like a beginner myself, but it's only because I'm filming on video. Right, we're getting to the end. And yeah, we're getting to the end. So make sure you go into the last one. You don't need to go into this. This is just a knot. So there we have it. This is our first row of single crochet. Now you want to chain 1, turn your work. You don't want to go into the first stitch here, okay? This here acts as our single crochet already, and this will help to make your pattern look straight. It will have straight edges. So you want to go into the second chain, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, okay? In the next stitch, yarn over, pull through 1, yarn over, pull through 2, and the next stitch, yarn over, pull through 1, yarn over, pull through 2. There you have it. So continue to do this all the way to the end. You can pause the video if you like. Now I'm at the end, okay? Now, you don't want to make a mistake that a lot of people make. They miss the last stitch. So you want to make sure you go into the last stitch, okay? So you want to, yeah, you need to go into it. Yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through. Okay, that's the last stitch. Chain 1, and then repeat the process straight to the end. So I'm gonna do about 5 more rows, and then we shall see what has become of my work. Hey guys, so I have reached the end of my work. I ended up doing more than 5 rows, by the way. It looks so beautiful. Can you see that? That's single crochet. Oh yeah. You see down here, this is our chain down here, and then we work our way up. So don't worry if it's curling, that's fine. Don't worry about that. And can you see how straight the edges are? So the edges were straight because we missed the first stitch. That is the key. So say like you're an experienced crocheter and you don't know how to get your edges straight. That's how you do it. And it really depends on the pattern. Some patterns you can go into the first one and it will still be straight. So for instance, if you was doing a lemon peel stitch or a texture stitch, which is just single crochet, double crochet, single crochet, double crochet, you can go into the first stitch and it will allow it to be straight. So this is a single crochet. So now I want to show you guys how to weave in your work, to end your work, to finish it. To fastener, you want to just create one chain, cut that off, yep, pull it right through, tighten it, like so. What happened now? My video is going a bit, yeah, there we go. Now, you want to get your tapestry needle and you just want to weave it in, okay? And this is what I love about crocheting, like, you can hide the yarn in itself. It's not like that with sewing, really, but with crocheting it is like that. So I'm just gonna do this. Yep. And I'm going to weave in the next bit. So I'm just showing you guys how to do this. Yeah. Oh, don't worry about that. I'm going to hold it. Oh boy, yeah, we should have worried about that after all. Anyways, so there we have it. Okay, and what you should do is keep this for memories. You know, keep it. Okay, this is my first thing.